Hi, I'm Chuck, the owner of Burch Supply Company. On all of our projects, we use a 3D complementary design service. This allows you to see a real-life 3D drawing of your space. This allows you to choose island size, sink size, appliances, change the layout, window size, just different opportunities and ways we can configure the new space for you. These are put together by our experienced design team, and they have years of experience putting kitchens, bathrooms together, and this will allow you to see the entire process into one picture realization so you can see exactly what it will look like when we bring the product into the home. Burch Supply is a one-stop shop. From your floor to your ceiling, we are able to help with cabinets, countertops, sinks, faucets, flooring, light fixtures. We can do it all. Not only can we give you exceptional service, but we will beat any competitor's price on any kitchen or bath project.
Contact us now to start your project today.